Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how you can change your home screen on your iPhone. So if you want to change, then you can just should tap on the settings. Then you see some many options. Then you can choose like home screen. Then here is showing app library and show in app library, and also you can add home screen. Then what happened? No. So if you want to change, then you should go like wallpaper and showing two options. This is the menu option background. This is the home screen. So if you want to change home screen color, then you can just tap here. Then here in showing many options. And if you want to like change color, you can just pick here. Here in showing some color, you can choose which color as you like. I just show you like yellow color. Also you can deep and light, you can change. That's it. Then now I just done. So now change the home screen color. So already done. So thanks for the watching. Thank you. Bye bye.